Hi everyone, and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponer. So today I'm here with last chance printable coupons. Yep, last chance printables. I always want to post these every week because there's been so many times where I wish I would have taken the time to print off a coupon and then it was gone and I had no warning. So I like to give you all warning, because there will be times when, let's say, Ibotta puts up a rebate and there was a coupon the week before and then it's gone and you can't get it now. So that's why I like to do this video. So if you do like my channel, I would really honestly appreciate it if you would take the time to print the coupons using the link that I will have in the description box below. Yeah, I know this gets really annoying, but I do have to repeat this every video because when I don't repeat it, I notice that printing, it really slows down, because I don't think a lot of you realize how much it really helps when you do that. And you all printing is really one of the main things that keeps this channel going. So if you do like my videos and you would like them to continue, please print these coupons or any coupons on my site, because I don't think a lot of people know this either. If you go on my site, OhioValleyCouponer.com, click on free printable coupons, it's the same exact gallery that is up on coupons.com. So if you're just used to typing in coupons.com and printing, you might as well go ahead and do it on my site, because it's the exact same thing. You're not going to have, there's nothing different. So yeah, and you can always print the coupons 2 times. So I know it gets annoying to repeat that over and over. I know you were probably thinking, my gosh, Nick, we know. But anyone who I could, honestly ask you to take the time to print it from my site instead, it just is really appreciated. Coupons.com still benefits from it. They just pay me a small little, I don't know, commission, I guess, for those who print. So if you enjoy my videos and want them to continue, please do that. So yeah, let's just dive right in. So we have Scott toilet paper. That is a really good one. The Schick one is definitely one you're going to want to grab. $7 off of 2. That's a good one. $2 off of any Huggies diapers, and then 50 cents off of Cottonelle toilet paper. We have 75 cents on Carefree, 50 cents on Huggies wipes, 50 cents on Scott paper towels, 75 cents on some Playtex items, $2 on pull-ups, 50 cents on French's mustard, $1 on Maybelline New York, $2 on 2 French's fried onions, and then we have $1 on some Clorox Ultra Clean wipes. And we have 50 cents on Viva paper towels, $3 on One a Day, 50 cents on Cottonelle wipes, and then we have $2 on OB tampons. Okay, we have Children's Claritin, Zyrtec, Claritin D, more Claritin, Mega Red, more Claritin, Move Free, and then Adult Zyrtec. So that's all we have. There are some really good ones you don't want to miss. And like I said, I so appreciate it, those of you who do print. If you don't print coupons at all, I understand, but if you do, I like to mention every so often that it is honestly one of the main things that does keep this channel running, and it allows me to continue to bring you all these videos. So yeah, I would so appreciate it if you guys would print these coupons, or like I said, any coupons on my site. It helps me out, and you can print them twice. So print them once, X out, click the link again, you can print them again. I totally forgot to say, you can do this on mobile device as well. Just go to my site, free printable coupons, select the coupons you want, click print, and it'll ask you to like a text verification code, and you'll be able to print as long as you have a wireless printer. So yeah, that's all I have for this video. I really hope you enjoyed this. Please print the coupons, and I really appreciate you all, and thank you so much for watching.